Okay, so we've actually managed to catch up with our next interview guest. That's Mike McHale from PSA Systems. He's just joined us. Nice to see you, Mike.
Good morning, Trevor. How are you doing today?
Very good, very good. So you've got a couple of products that you've been working on, which are very innovative. I think the first of which I wanted to talk about was the board support system that you've been working on with Charlie McHale.
Yep.
Tell us a little bit about that and what the theory was behind it and the strategy.
Yeah, Charlie came to me with an idea for his next iteration of the board support system, and he was able to get additional density, more support in a smaller package, and at a cheaper price point.
Right.
So it was a win for us, win for Charlie, and win for the customer as well.
Absolutely. I think we've got a picture of it somewhere. If we could take a look at it. It'll come up on the screen. There we go.
There it is.
Basically, this is a lot more configurable than traditional board support systems. Can you talk us through how that works?
Yeah, Charlie was able to design in a smart operating system, so that makes the installation in the machine much easier. Using the accelerometer, you can put it anywhere in the machine. So as it triggers, the machine moves, it'll trigger a timer inside the controller. You can configure that timer for the support to come up at any time. So there's no interaction inside of the machine with any wiring or any coordination. It's all on its own. So that's a really nice, easy install. And then the expansion module is actually another patented item that we've patented, where it's actually a quick disconnect. There's actually no fittings. It's all based on a magnet, so you can pull in and out the wires or the hoses, and you can change them at any time or any speed, without any tools. So it's one touch.
Okay.
So it's all packaged very nicely. It's all American made. We make every product that's on there, other than the purchased items. It's a nice offering to the customer.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, that's the beauty of what you're doing, is you have the manufacturing capability in-house to be able to make all of these products.
Correct.
Which is great. So what else have you been working
on? We also introduced here at the show the Marksman, which is a solder paste machine, and this was something that actually came up at the Minnesota show. One of our reps suggested this is the next product of something that the market needed. So since the Minnesota show, 8 weeks and a bunch of COVID, we introduced our prototype here at the show.
And this is a printer, is it?
It's a printer, yes.
Yeah, okay.
And we've gotten some very good feedback from customers. We'll be making some changes, and we'll be introducing that in the next probably a couple of months.
Okay, and I think we've got a picture of that too. So there it is.
That's actually the original. So we've moved on from that. We have a camera system as a base, a controller. That was probably a first prototype, and then over the course of the last 6 weeks, we've actually developed it into a pretty complex offering at a very affordable price.
Right.
So it's got vision on it. It's got servo control to align the board to do inspections. Charlie and the team at PSA has done a nice job with that product.
Nice. Okay, and that's still a benchtop.
It's benchtop. It was for quick, easy installation. Minimal interaction with the machine. Once it shows up, plug it in and you're ready to go.
And again, American made and at a fairly attractive price.
Yep, 100% American made. We'll also be distributing that with one board support module and all of the piping and all the integration for additional modules for anybody who needs it.
Okay, great. So, I mean, obviously this is just day 2 at the show. And did you have any good inquiries yesterday? And what was your feeling around the show?
Yesterday was great for us. We met with all of our reps, some customers. The feedback was positive. We were, for the Marksman, we were really looking to launch it here at the show, take in everybody's input, make some modifications for version 2 that we go to market with. So that it was very helpful.
Right. Great. Okay. Well, I mean, obviously, we'll keep an eye on it and maybe see the version 2 finished module when it comes out.
Absolutely.
What sort of time frame are you looking at for that?
We'll be launching that late first quarter, early second quarter.
Okay. Great. Super. Well, I want to thank you for coming in and telling us about these new systems today, and
appreciate the time.
wish you every success for the future.
Thank you.